Hello, my name is Ken Spector, and today I'm going to demonstrate for you how to open Excel, create a spreadsheet, save the file, and close the program again, all without the benefit of either sight or the mouse. To do this, I'll be utilizing JAWS for Windows, a screen reading program that uses text-to-speech technology in order to verbalize the text that appears on the screen. To begin, I'm going to press the Windows key in order to bring the focus to the Start menu.
Menu, search box, edit, type text in this edit field or press up or down arrow to move through items.
And as you can hear, it has placed the cursor in the search field, which is where I can type in the name of the program I'm looking for, and Windows will find it for me. Today I'm looking for Excel, so I'll go ahead and type that word.
EXXC Microsoft Excel 2010.
And there it is. To launch that program, all I need to do is press the Enter key.
Enter. Leaving menus, please wait. Microsoft Excel, Book 1, Sheet 1, blank, A1.
And so it has launched Microsoft Excel. We are now in Book 1, Sheet 1, in a blank cell, specifically A1. I wish to create an expense sheet today, which would contain two columns, the left column being headed Date, and the right column being headed Expense. To enter text to a cell in this program, all you need to do is begin typing. So here we go.
DATE.
And Tab will bring me to the next
Date,
column,
tab, blank, B1.
which I wish to head as Expense.
EXPENSE.
And Enter will return the cursor to the beginning of the next row down, which would be row
Expense,
2.
enter, blank, A2.
So now I'm in column A once more, which has been labeled Date. And so to insert today's date as the value for this field, then I would simply need to press Control semicolon.
Inserted date 1/7/2014.
Now Tab will bring me to the next column over, column B,
Tab, blank, B2.
where I would enter the actual quantity for this expense as $19.19. Now Enter will bring me to the beginning of the next row down, row 3.
19, enter, blank, A3.
I'm now in row 3, column A, where I will once again insert today's date via the Control semicolon hotkey.
Inserted date 1/7/2014.
Tab once more will bring me back to column B,
Tab,
where
blank, B3.
I will enter the quantity for this expense.
$1, 2, 12, period.
$12.89, and Enter again will bring us to the beginning of the next row down, which is row
89, enter, blank, A4.
Now we are in the cell A4, where I will insert today's date for one last time.
Inserted date 1/7/2014.
And press the Tab key to bring us to the expense column for this row,
Tab, blank, B4.
where I will enter one
$1.
final expense of, say, $99.
99,
and
period.
99 cents. Why not? So now we'll press the Enter key,
99, enter, blank, A5.
which has brought us back to the beginning of the next row, which is row 5. And in this row, I wish to total our expenses. And to indicate this, I'll go ahead and type total here,
TOTAL.
and tab over to the
Total,
next
tab,
column,
blank, B5.
where I will insert a formula to find the sum of all expenses. To indicate that I'm entering a formula, I need to press the equal button.
Type in the formula and press enter.
And so Windows has asked me to type in the formula and press enter. So I'm going to use the sum formula, which I'll type as SUM,
Sum.
and press open parentheses to indicate that I'm going to begin a list of cells I wish to total.
Left parent.
I'll now press enter the cells separated by commas.
B2, comma, B3, comma, B4.
And a close parentheses to indicate the end of the list.
Right parent.
And the Enter key, which will bring me to the beginning of the next row.
Enter, blank, A6.
So if I wish to go back up to the previous row and hear the total of the expenses, I should hit the up arrow to bring me back to
Total
row
A5.
5. And as you can hear, it's now in the column where I wrote total, so I know that the next cell that I need to look at is one to the right, so I'll press the right arrow.
$132.07 as formula B5.
So it reads it as the total expenses arrived at via formula and lists the cell location as B5. So to save this file, I'll now press Control S.
Control S, save as dialog, file name : edit combo, book 1, 0 items. To set the value, use the arrow
So
key
that
or
has
type
brought
the
up
value.
the
Alt N.
Save As dialog, and specifically we're in the field where I can enter the file name I wish to save it as. So I'm going to type in demo
DEMO.
and press enter to save
Demo,
that.
enter, demo.xlsx, sheet 1, $132.07, as formula, B5.
And so it's announced that it has saved it, and it announces the new file name, and then it goes on to read the information about the cell the cursor is currently located in. To close out the file, all I need to do is press Alt F4.
Alt F4, JAWS.
So it closed out the Excel window and announces that the focus has been placed back in the JAWS window. And so we've done it. We've opened Excel, created a spreadsheet, saved the file, and closed the program again, all without the benefit of either sight or the mouse.